This is Khalidia Mall. Yes, at night. This is Khalidia Street at night. Oh, so beautiful at night. Buildings are so bright with lots of lights. This is a nice one. I'm here at this palace for walking because I'm already gaining weight. I have to reduce my weight. My left foot is aching. That's the sign of eating too much. But anyway, here's the Khalidia Mall. Yeah, so bright along with this tower. I don't know exactly the name of this tower. So I think this is the Leaning Tower. I don't know exactly. This is in Abu Dhabi, near Khalidia Street. Ayan. Medyo mahangin, pero hindi naman siya sandy. So pag mahangin na at sandy, it means na malapit na ulit ang summer. Winter is near end. Ayan, mga kapatid, ganda ng building, oh. So, punta na kayo dito sa Abu Dhabi. Maganda rito sa Abu Dhabi. Yan pa yung ilang building. Okay, you can see. That's the Sadat Tower. Telecommunication company here in Abu Dhabi. Etisalat Tower. Etisalat Telecommunication. Ganda rito, nagpo-provide sila ng truck, cycling truck, bicycle truck, running truck sa mga tao gustong mag-exercise at maging fit. Okay mga kapatid, mga kaibigan, mga kapamilya, kapuso, ayan ang Abu Dhabi. So see you again sa next adventure ng aking paglalakad dito sa Abu Dhabi. From time to time ipapasyal ko kayo. Okay, see you. Ngayong oras ay ngayong gabi ay mga alas 7:30 na. Okay, bye.